Okay, for this demonstration I'm going to show you how to add a resource to one of your subjects in Studywiz. I'm also going to show you how to delete a resource in terms of if you've already put one up and you just think, okay, I don't want to use it anymore, or I have a new version and you want to just take it off or delete it. I'm going to show you how to do that as well, and I'm also going to show you how to upload a file from your eLocker. So again, just log in as teachers, type in your username and password. Okay, so there's my homepage there now, and there's all my latest activities. So I'm going to go into the subject again that I'm looking for, which is computer literacy. And I'm going to show you first of all how to delete that put up that I just think, no, I don't more, I want a new version of it. So I'm down and delete it. I'm going to show you how to do that. So go into this folder first, Unit 1, and it's actually the last one I've actually created, and I want to click on that. Okay, so if you want to edit any resource, just click on any of them. Okay, so I'm going to click on this here because this is the one I'm not sure about and I want to just take off. Okay, so there. Alright, so you can see it's a resource, it's a PDF file. When I create, I have the option to add it to my eLocker if I want as well. Okay, and what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to edit it. Okay, and this editing function also allows me to delete it as well. Okay, so it gives me the full detail of what it is when I create it, and all that information about this. To show you how to delete it. So down the very bottom, okay, see the option of saving it again if you want to edit any pieces of it. Okay, so I might want to take this out and put in a new piece, you know, a new worksheet or a new resource. I might want to give them then my learners different instructions. But I can also delete it, and there's my delete function as well. So I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to create a brand new one. Okay, so it asks me, am I sure I want to do this? So I'm going to say yes, I do. Okay, so that's now gone. Okay. Okay, but I want to create a new one in its place, so I create activity. And the great thing about resources is that, you know, you can actually put up pictures, you can put up any sort of a document, or any of your worksheets that you may have already used in class. So I'm going to click on resource. I find it very good for putting up worksheets that I have spent years creating, or, you know, that sort of thing. So again, you know, you can put the date in and, you know, allow people to edit or not. Okay, I'm going to call it Unit. Okay, it's just taking a second. Unit 1, word search. And I'm going to upload it from my eLocker this time. I'm going to import it. So click on import from eLocker because I already have it saved up here in my eLocker, so I just want to take it out of here. So I just need to click this option. Okay, just might take a few seconds to load up. So basically your eLocker is the place that you electronically store all your resources, all your worksheets, all your pictures. You pretty much can store in your eLocker. It's very handy because if you're out of the office and you could be at home and you think of something, you know, and you mightn't have access to all your stuff from it. You know, you might have it on a USB key or anything. So you can actually just log on to Studywiz here and just retrieve it from here and then upload it again, or take it down off it. You know, maybe you might think of it when you go home. Okay. I'll just have to refresh that page now. Okay, we're just going to have to try that one more time. Okay, click on resource. Okay. Okay, just type in description one more time. Now I'll try it one more time. Hopefully this will work. Yes, brings us straight to it. Okay, that's what it should normally do. Okay, so straight away there you can see my IT subjects are already set up. So I'm going to go into computer literacy, okay? And that'll open up all my subfolders, again with all my units. And I'm going to go into Unit 1 because that's where I have my resource that I'm looking for, okay? So you can see I have all my worksheets lined up there, okay? And there's my word search that I'm looking for. So I'm going to go down and pick the word search. So just go down and highlight into the dark green and actually click on the little grey icon there which says import from activity from eLocker. So click on that. Okay, and this is now transferring this word search from my eLocker into my my resource. So hi there, please complete the following word search. Thanks. Okay, so that's it basically. Now it can, it can be any type of file. It doesn't have to be a Word. It doesn't have to be PDF. It can be a Word document. It can be a PowerPoint. It can be a spreadsheet. Okay, it can be anything. Okay, so click save. It could be a picture. So click save, and that will save my new resource. Okay, so I now know it's saved. So if I click and go to see the way it's now, there you can see it there. Okay, that's how I know it's definitely uploaded. Okay, not only is it the save bit here, but also this bit here. Okay, I can see it, and I also have the option to remove it. Okay, so now if I click on home, my new resource should come up on my home page. And there it is. Okay, so Unit 1, word search. If I click on that, this is what I can see. Okay, so I now can see what I've asked my learner to do, where it is, and there, and I have also the option of obviously adding it to my eLocker if I already hadn't got it there. Okay. So I'm just going to flick to my other screen to show you my student. So I'll just refresh their page now again. Go to their subject, peer literacy. Okay, and go to Unit 1 because I know that's where I have it stored. And there it is, Unit 1 word search. So I'm going to click on that. And now that's what I know my student can see. Okay, and that's it.